Good day everyone. So our topic today is TS paper. So number 86, it is defined as synergistic collection of machine elements. Synergistic because as a design it represents an idea or concept greater than the sum of the individual parts. What is the system? So A is system of mechanism, B is mechanical system, C is design system, and D is system. So the answer is mechanical system. So a mechanical system is a set of physical components like masses, spring, dampers, gears, or rigid bodies that interact through forces and motion to perform a specific function. So the answer is mechanical system. So number 87, it may define as the displacement per length produced in a solid and as the result of stress. How do you call this? So A is deformation, B is illumination, C is strain, D is stress. So the answer is strain. So strain is a measure of how much a material deforms, change, shape, or length when a force is applied. So number 88 is what is the combination of applied normal and shear stresses that produce maximum principal normal stress or minimum principal normal stress, with a third principal stress between of equivalent to the strings. So A is principal shear stress, B is principal normal stress, C is maximum shear stress, and D is bending and shear stress. So the answer is letter B, principal normal stress. So principal normal stress refers to the maximum and minimum normal stresses acting on a material at a point where no shear stress exists on this place. So number 89 is how do you call a load that is applied transversely to the longitudinal axis of member. So number A is combined loads, B is concentrated load, C is bending load, and D is destructive load. So the answer is bending load. So a bending load is a force that causes a structural member like a beam to occur or bind instead of just stretch or compress. So the last number is 90. What is the availability of the material to absorb energy up to fracture? So A, toughness, B, rigidity, C, resilience, and D is stiffness. So the answer is A, toughness. So toughness is ability of the material to absorb energy and deform without breaking.